Laggy Minecraft got you down? Let's boost your FPS with OptiFine fast. Step 1. Preparation, subtitle. First, make sure you own Minecraft Java Edition. OptiFine doesn't work with Bedrock. Already got it? Nice. Next, check if you have Java installed. Can't open .jar files? Download the latest Java from the official site. And quick tip, run your Minecraft version once before modding to set things up behind the scenes. Oh, and for extra safety, back up your world saves. Trust me, better safe than sorry. Step 2. Download and install, subtitle. Head to the official OptiFine website. Find the version matching your Minecraft. Playing 1.20? Download OptiFine 1.20. Simple. Click mirror for the ad-free link, then hit download. Double-click the jar file. Nothing happens? Right-click and choose Open with Java. Still nothing? Google Jarfix. It's a lifesaver. Step 3. Launch and configure, subtitle. Open your Minecraft launcher, select the new OptiFine profile from the drop-down, and smash that play button. Once in-game, explore options. Video settings. Hello, smoother graphics.